Okay, so trying to set up my Bumble BFF profile. This feels super awkward, but one thing I know is that getting out of your comfort zone in life always leads to what you want. And staying in the comfort zone is like not working for me. So let's do it. And I'm going to use some of the tools that I know about designing a profile for a dating app. The one thing I know is I'm not trying to seduce anybody when I'm looking at platonic friendships. So maybe these super, not that they're like super seductive, but I want photos that showcase that I'm nice, that I'm fun, that I'm social. So first things first is I have to go find some photos where I feel like I am. Let's do this. We're going to drag these in. Yeah, I think this is a better first photo. We'll drag in for sure the Tough Mudder, the rent photo, the entrepreneur photo, continue. Let's see. And I think I might get rid of both of those because they're just like a little stuffy and like a little flirty. And I'm kind of going for, like, I would like to find a friend who likes chess, who's like nerdy like me. So let me put the chessboard in there. And then what is the other one that I really like? I'm just going to go super social with this profile and just see how that works. And then it's all about like optimizing over time. That's what I teach my students for dating. So we're just going to kind of do it and see how it goes. Profile prompts. Okay, so I want to talk to them. So I want to think about like who I'm trying to attract. I also want to think about like who would be really turned off by me. Like I have some strong opinions and I'm not really looking to diminish those. Like I want to find somebody who kind of is aligned with that. So let's see if I can. So like somebody might not like me if they really believe in like traditional gender roles or traditional work type of things. Like I really want to attract like an entrepreneur. And I live in a city, San Francisco is full of entrepreneurs. So I'm sure there's another girl in the world feeling the way I'm feeling, right? So let's see if we can optimize to attract other entrepreneurs. If I could solve one world problem, it'd be help everyone find love. Cool. Help everyone find love. Okay, let's see what else. Most inspiring person I've met. Okay, let's think. We want a good prompt. So if I'm trying to attract an entrepreneur, if I'm really thinking about what I want to attract, I like entrepreneurs, I like burners, even though I've never been to Burning Man, I want to go. So I'm looking for somebody who is like open to psychedelics and who is definitely outside of the box and doesn't think like, super rigid corporate type of mindset. Show, nightclub or Netflix, dream dinner guest. So I really want to speak to who I'm looking to attract. Dream dinner guest. Okay, could I think of an entrepreneur that I would like to have dinner with that might speak to what I'm looking for? I don't know. Must see movie. Okay, that one's a really good one. Limitless and Fight Club. My two faves. So that right there will help to it will help me to attract people who think in this type of way. So first of all, Limitless, in my opinion, is a movie about ADD and Adderall. Like that's how I think. And so I have ADD and I would love to connect with somebody who thinks that movie's epic as well. And Fight Club is a lot about not being a mindless consumer. And it's about being intentional and looking at how we get into patterns of life that are unfulfilling. So hopefully by putting those favorite movies in there, that helps me to attract somebody who's like, shares that core value, like anti-consumerism, like, more conscious thinker. So with these, I'm trying to be really strategic. Let's see. After work, you can find me. Okay. Learning to surf and kiteboard. Okay, because I specifically would like to meet somebody who is interested in those types of activities. I don't know. I don't feel like I spoke to entrepreneurs very much in here. So maybe I can use the keyword entrepreneur because part of the way these apps match you with people is by keywords that you use. So for Bumble, just because I know the space doesn't give you a bunch, I'm just going to put like favorite things in keywords to help attract people who are deeply compatible. So I'm going to put bulldogs because I have one. Oh, I should have a picture of me and my bulldog on there. Okay, that's for the next iteration. Bulldogs, deep dish pizza. I really want to speak to these things that are going to create a deep compatibility. I'm going to say sacred medicine because I don't want to necessarily say like psychedelics, but sacred medicine, healing, consciousness, exploring consciousness. That's going to be really important. Okay, I really want to speak to entrepreneurship, bulldogs, deep dish pizza, sacred medicine. I'm going to say coaching, social experiments, social experimentation. What else? So let's do music. So favorite music. A niece I really like right now. I like Post Malone. We already spoke about favorite movies. Let's do favorite books. What is my favorite book? The Giver. What is that other one that I really like? Dang it, I forget the name. The one with Holden is the main character. Oh, the Catcher in the Rye. Catcher in the Rye. What else? So we've got our favorite books. We've got a musician, 2 musicians. We have food. We've put the movies on there. Let's see what else. My hobbies we have already listed. So I don't want to do like double up because I don't have that much space. I'm really looking for someone who shares my sense of humor. So I'm gonna put the comedians that I really like. So it would be Kevin Hart. Oh. Cholo Fit Creeper. He is hilarious on TikTok. Oh my God, I love him. I love TikTok. It showed me so many funny people. Oh, then what is that girl's name? Hang on. Let's find out. I want to make sure that I put all of my favorite stuff in here that is relevant so that I can attract somebody who's like, oh my God, hilarious. What is her name? It's like Chelsea. Hold on. I got to find my TikTok. Wait, don't find friends. I want to search. Okay. Chelsea Lynn. Is that her name? Chelsea Lynn. Chelsea Lynn. Okay, I'll put, yeah, bulldogs, deep dish. So I have my comedians there. I also really like Ali Wong. So that's going to help me to match with people who share my sense of humor because I really want somebody to make me laugh. I like acting, dance, acting, dance. What else? We really want to use all the characters because it's every word that we use is going to help us match with somebody who's compatible. So surfing again, I wouldn't usually do this, but surfing, kiteboarding, scuba. Okay, scuba I didn't have on there before. So just thinking through things that I do. Oh, chess. Things that I do that maybe are unique to me and not everyone does. Cool. Entrepreneur. I have a fun job. I don't know. I could put it. Okay, so they could look me up if they want. My basics. So for me, I just fill this out honestly. I don't have kids. No kids. What would you want to do with your new BFF? I don't know. I'm so nervous. Co-working, interesting. Live music, workout and sports. I want to skip it because I'm not sure yet, but that's something that I should know, right? What is your relationship status? Oh, I don't know. Are you new to the area? I'm a local. Okay. Now, and where I live? More options. My places and where I live. San Francisco. And where I'm from. I guess San Ramon. I don't know. I lived in a lot of places. Cool. Linked accounts. Connect Instagram. Do I want to? I guess. Not really. I don't know. I changed my mind. It's too late. Oh well. No. Wait. I changed my mind. I don't want to link that. I want to link Spotify though, because I want a BFF who like, it would be cool if we like the same music. We don't have to, but Bob Marley. Okay, I could add Bob Marley in there. Black Bear's cool. Yes. All right, well, I could put that in there. Bob Marley. Oh, I just put reggae. Let's do reggae. That way we're not doubling up on keywords. Oh, no. Okay, wait, hang on. Hang on now. Too bad I can't spell it. How do you spell reggae? Reggae? Yeah, there we go. Cool. All right, so we are off. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Let's look at our profile. How do I look at it? I want to look preview profile. Do I look like an axe murderer or do I look cool? Oh, maybe I should get rid of that. I don't want them to kick me off because I work in the dating industry. Let's see. So my favorites are Bulldogs, Deep Dish Pizza, Sacred Medicine, Exploring Consciousness, Entrepreneurship, Coaching, Social Experimentation, Anise, Reggae, Post Malone, Catcher in the Rye, Kevin Hart, Cholo Fit, Creeper, Chelsea Lynn, Ali Wong, Acting, Dance, Surfing, Kiteboarding, Scuba Chess. Cool. Help everyone find love. Okay, and then learning to surf and kiteboard, then playing chess, and that's it. Okay, well, that was easy. Let's see if we get any matches. Do I have any already? No. Okay, I don't know. Anyways, fun, exciting. We'll see how it goes.